11 Digital Marketing Statistics for Small Business Owners in 2024. Hello, small business owners. Are you prepared to elevate your digital marketing strategies in 2024? In this video, we will explore 11 essential statistics to enhance your success in the dynamic realm of digital marketing. Each statistic is paired with a captivating case scenario highlighting the problem at hand, offering a comprehensive solution, and providing a meticulous 4-step plan for flawlessly implementing the solution. 1. 85% of marketers believe personalized content leads to stronger customer brand relationships. Source: Evergage. Problem: Sarah noticed her generic email newsletters were not engaging her customer base. Solution: She implemented a system that segments customers based on their purchase history and preferences. Then, she crafted personalized email content for each segment, addressing customers by name and suggesting products they might like. 4-step plan. 1. She collected customer data and preferences via surveys and tracking interactions. 2. A segmented email list was created using collected data. 3. She created customized email content featuring tailored product suggestions. 4. She monitored engagement rates and adjusted content accordingly. 2. Video content will make up 82% of all internet traffic by 2024. Source: Cisco. Problem: Mark's bakery had limited online visibility and engagement. Solution: Mark began making behind-the-scenes videos of his bakery, showcasing the baking process, special events, and customer testimonials. He then shared these videos on different social media platforms. 4-step plan. 1. He identified key processes and events to capture on video. 2. He filmed and edited engaging behind-the-scenes content. 3. Shared videos across social media channels regularly. 4. He engaged with followers in the comments to create a community feel. 3. 49% of consumers depend on influencer recommendations on social media. Source: 4 Communications. Problem: Tom's clothing store was struggling to reach a wider audience. Solution: Tom successfully collaborated with influential local individuals who shared a strong connection with his brand's image. These people got exclusive access to his clothing line and could wear and promote his products on social media. 4-step plan. 1. He researched and connected with local influencers with a strong following. 2. He provided influencers with free products and promotional deals. 3. He collaborated on content creation that highlights his store's collection. 4. Tracked sales and engagement from influencer promotions. 4. Email marketing has an average ROI of $42 for every $1 spent. Source: DMA. Problem: Emma wanted to increase her boutique sales but had a limited marketing budget. Solution: Emma focused on building a solid email marketing campaign, offering exclusive deals and personalized recommendations to her subscribers. 4-step plan. 1. She built a subscriber list through in-store sign-ups and online promotions. 2. She developed a series of targeted email campaigns with special offers. 3. She customizes emails by incorporating customer names and relevant products. 4. Analyzed open and click-through rates to refine future campaigns. 5. 78% of businesses have gained customers through social media marketing. Source: Life Marketing. Problem: Mike's coffee shop was not attracting new customers despite its central location. Solution: Mike has devised an effective solution to establish a strong online presence for his cafe. Consistently sharing engaging content, organizing captivating contests, and actively engaging with customers, he has cultivated a thriving social media community. 4-step plan. 1. Set up profiles on popular social media platforms. 2. He consistently shares captivating posts, showcasing the enticing ambience and delightful offerings of his cafe daily. 3. Organized compelling interactive contests and polls to involve and captivate our audience actively. 4. Responded promptly to comments and messages to foster customer relationships. 6. Mobile advertising is expected to represent 72% of all digital ad spending by 2023. Source: Statista. Problem: Lisa's fitness studio had low-class attendance during off-peak hours. Solution: Lisa invested in mobile advertising targeting local clients looking for fitness classes during specific times, using geo-targeting and scheduling ads at strategic times. 4-step plan. 1. She pinpointed the specific demographics and optimal moments for mobile usage. 2. She created engaging mobile ads with clear calls to action for class bookings. 3. She used geo-targeting to reach potential clients near her studio. 4. Monitored ad performance and optimized for the best response rates. 7. 64% of small businesses have a website. Source: Clutch. Problem: Alex's bakery was missing out on potential online sales opportunities. Solution: Alex's bakery website has been enhanced to provide convenient online ordering and delivery services, allowing customers to purchase his products from the comfort of their homes easily. 4-step plan. 1. He redesigned the website for user-friendliness and mobile responsiveness. 2. He integrated an e-commerce platform for online orders. 3. Set up a delivery system in partnership with local services. 4. He promoted his new online ordering system through social media and in-store signage. 8. Video content is 50 times more likely to drive organic search results than plain text. Source: Omnicore. Problem: Sarah's handmade soap business was not ranking well in search engine results. Solution: Sarah began producing in-depth video tutorials showcasing her soap-making process and emphasizing the distinctive qualities of her products. She then integrated these tutorials into her website and shared them across various social media platforms. 4-step plan. 1. She researched keywords related to handmade soaps and incorporated them into video titles and descriptions. 2. Filmed high-quality tutorials with engaging narratives about her products. 3. Embedded videos on her website and optimized video descriptions for SEO. 4. Shared videos on social media to drive traffic back to her site. 9. 87% of shoppers begin their product searches online. Source: Retail Dive. Problem: James' hardware store was not visible to potential customers searching online. Solution: James took his product listings to the next level by optimizing them for search engines. He took it a step further and produced a brilliant Google Ads campaign that targeted local individuals actively looking for hardware products. 4-step plan. 1. Conducted keyword research for his product range. 2. Updated product descriptions with relevant keywords for SEO. 3. Set up a Google Ads campaign with targeted ad groups and keywords. 4. He closely monitored the campaign's performance and made necessary adjustments to bids and keywords. 10. 92% of consumers trust recommendations from friends and family over other forms of advertising. Source: Nielsen. Problem: Lucy's gift shop had difficulty establishing trust with potential customers. Solution: Lucy has devised an ingenious solution to broaden her customer base by enticing her existing clients to refer their friends and family through an exclusive discount. Lucy skillfully harnessed the influence of word-of-mouth marketing to expand her impact and attract a fresh influx of contented customers. 4-step plan. 1. She created a referral program with incentives for both referrers and new customers. 2. Promoted the referral program in store and through email newsletters. 3. Tracked the success of referrals and rewarded top referrers. 4. Collected customer testimonials to share on her website and social media. 11. 70% of small businesses use social media for marketing. Source: Clutch. Problem: Issue: MIA observed a lack of growth in sales among her boutique's current customers. Solution: MIA created social media campaigns featuring her latest collections, including styled photo shoots, customer spotlights, and exclusive online promotions. 4-step plan. 1. Developed a content calendar for regular posting. 2. Collaborated with photographers and models for professional photo shoots. 3. Engaged with customers by featuring their photos and stories. 4. Offered social media-only discounts to encourage online purchases. That's it. We hope these statistics can help you in your roadmap to digital marketing success in 2024. Embrace personalization, leverage video content, and tap into the power of influencer marketing. Start your online growth journey today. Subscribe for more tips and tricks to elevate your digital marketing game. Like, share, and comment below with your success stories.